Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account. That's the essential prerequisite. Once signed in, open a modern browser like Chrome or Edge and type photos. Google, com in the address bar. Make sure you're using the account that stores your images. Switch accounts if necessary. If you already use Google Drive or Gmail, you're almost done. If extensions block scripts, temporarily disable them. This gets you to the Photos web app, so you can start viewing and managing pictures immediately. Once on the Photos web app, use the left-hand menu to jump between Photos, Albums, and Utilities. Click Photos to see a timeline view. Albums shows folders and automatically created groups. Use the search bar at the top to find people, places, or dates because Google's AI tags images for you. To select multiple photos for download or sharing, hold Shift for ranges or Control, Command on Mac for individual pics. Make sure to preview before bulk actions to avoid accidental delete. Finish by downloading or sharing. Select items, open the three-dot menu, then choose Download or Share. For entire albums, use Album options. For continuous backup, install Google's Backup and Sync or enable Drive Upload on mobile and confirm folder links. If you can't see recent photos, make sure you're in the correct Google account and that sync completed. Clear the browser cache and reload. If uploads fail, check storage quota and network. Often a quick reconnect or cache clear fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.